since the day that you went away. You went away. You've been sending flowers to me. Flowers to
Hi guys, I am Maithilee and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about 6 to 7 delicious snacks that you can make in under 5 minutes to eat between your online lectures. These recipes are super easy and quick to make, so if you're not into cooking, don't worry, I've got you covered. Before we get into today's video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button down below and turn the bell notification on so you get notified every time I upload on YouTube. So let's get started.
Okay, yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get all of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. Are we going again? Just you and I on another one of our famous midnight drives. Do you need to rant or just stay silent? Either or, you know I'm compliant. Take a left up ahead, we're going towards the horizon. Don't stop going till we see the sun rising. You know this is who we are, this is what we do. Driving in circles till we find something new. The only person I enjoy sitting in the car with is you. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.
If you enjoyed today's video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!